it's Karaimak here. Welcome back to my channel, and today I would like to talk to you about an ebook written by my great friend Zorana from Astro Affairs, and the ebook is called Venus and Outer Planets, Astrological Guide to Relationships. So this lovely, amazing ebook was sent to me by Zorana to just do some kind of review on it and read it for her and just dive into all that amazing stuff and all that amazing relationships about relationships between Venus and outer planets, among which Zorana writes on Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. So this ebook was created as an answer on many questions on love affairs and astro affairs, written below articles of Zorana's on the Astro Affair blog. And she approaches here each of those outer planets from 4 points of view. The first one is that planet, for example Saturn, in relationships, just the role of that planet. Then she continues with Venus-Saturn or Venus-Neptune-Uranus-Pluto relationship, and then she continues to the natal placement and to partners placement. So we can see here different ways how the two planets can be connected to each other and how they can affect love and our relationships. Mostly she's focusing exactly on the lovers and partnership relationships, but also it can be applied on your family relationships and another relationships that has something to do with your feelings, emotion and with love. Also, I was talking with Zorana on Venus one day in a lovely interview in a video, so I will definitely link that in the corner of this video, and I will link all her information and data below the video in the description box, so you can read more about this ebook on her website, on her blog. You can order this ebook on her email, and you can also check it out on another website, so all of that will be linked below. Also, if you would like to know a little bit more from Zorana, especially on the conjunction or coming conjunction between Pluto and Saturn, be sure to get our Femme Occult spring issue, where she wrote us a lovely article on this topic. So let's dive a little bit more into this lovely ebook. I was really happy that the way it's written, it's really brief but giving loads and loads of information. So there's nothing like loads and loads of words around, and she goes straight to the point and you can immediately read and understand what's going on between these two planets and how can it affect your relationships. How will you feel if these two planets will have some kind of conjunction, opposition or another aspect in your chart, and how can you also feel or be viewed by the person, by your partner who has this kind of aspect. What I totally love is that Zorana is able to write here in a way of how does the person with these aspects actually think and functions, so that basically the Venus in that person is asking herself, am I being loved? Am I good enough? Am I doing enough? For example, for the Saturn in this chapter. So every time she goes through another planet, she is able to kind of put it in the way that how is the planet actually showing in your thoughts, and exactly what questions are you present in front of yourself when you have this kind of aspect or when there is something happening around these planets. She also always brings a few keywords on each of the outer planets that she's talking about, and then she goes through hard aspects and soft aspects of the connection between Venus and the outer planet, for example, in the synastry. So there's many approaches. Among the hard aspects would be conjunction, opposition, and the square, and among the soft ones could be then trine or sextile. So if you are interested in this kind of part of our natal charts or of the synastries between us and our partners, definitely don't miss out this lovely ebook where you can find loads of information on it and really feeling through how do the people with these aspects feel in their life and what's going on inside of them through their emotions but put into words. So that's something that I would love to recommend to you today to get and to read, and I hope you will love it as much as I do, and see you soon.